What do we have here? It's a workbench. Cool! Let's see what we can do. Here's a red power drill. And this is a blue power saw. And look, we also have tools. Here's a green wrench. And this is a yellow screwdriver. And we also have a red hammer. And look, there's holes to put shapes in. Here's a red square. And this is a purple triangle. We also have a yellow circle. And our last shape is a blue heart. Look what we have here. It's building blocks. This is awesome. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a blue airplane. Now let's see what we have in our Happy Meal.
Funnest toys.
I wonder what's in here. Cool! It's coins we can put on our cash register. Here's one yellow coin, 2, 3. Orange coins. One orange coin, 2, 3. Purple coins. One purple coin, 2, 3. Look what we have here. Shapes we can put in our cookie jar. Here's a yellow circle. Green star. Purple triangle. What's in here? Donuts. Let's feed our frog friend some donuts. Here you go, Froggy. Here's one blue donut. Here's one red donut. Awesome! It's building blocks. I wonder what we can build with these building blocks. It's Thomas the train. Choo choo! Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo!
Funnest toys.
What do we have here? It's our Melissa and Doug ice cream counter. Cool! But where's our ice cream? Let's look in our refrigerator. Whoa! So many scoops of ice cream. How many scoops do we have? Let's count. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 scoops of ice cream. Now let's set up our counter. We have mint chocolate chip, chocolate, vanilla, chocolate chip, Rocky Road, cookie dough, coffee, and strawberry. Now we need toppings. Let's get them from our toppings jar. Oh no, there's no toppings. First we need to fill it up with shapes. Here's a blue square, a yellow circle, a green star, a pink heart, a purple triangle, Now we have our toppings. Here's a rainbow sprinkles, whipped cream with cherry on top, strawberry, chocolate sprinkles, fudge, and caramel. And we have our ice cream cones, plus our cup to make sundaes. And what do we have here? Here's a spoon for the sundae, tongs to grab our toppings, and an ice cream scoop. Let's make our first ice cream. Which flavor do we want? They all look so yummy. How about chocolate chip? Now, let's top it with some rainbow sprinkles. Now let's make our second ice cream with 2 scoops. Here's mint chocolate chip, and strawberry. Let's top it with whipped cream. How about a sundae? Rocky Road, cookie dough, and we'll top it with strawberries. Our ice creams look so yummy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Funnest toys.